Are you struggling with skin tags and warts? These benign growths, while harmless, can be a cause for concern due to their unsightly appearance. But fret not, because today we're here to help you understand the process of removing skin tags and warts, and that too, overnight. First off, you need to understand what skin tags and warts are. These are small, usually painless growths on the skin. Skin tags tend to occur on the neck, underarms, eyelids, and under the breasts, while warts are common on hands and feet. Now, onto the removal process. The first step is to clean the area around the skin tag or wart. Use warm water and mild soap, patting the area dry once it's clean. Remember, hygiene is essential in this process to avoid any potential infections. The second step involves applying apple cider vinegar to the skin tag or wart. Soak a cotton ball in apple cider vinegar, squeeze out the excess, and then place it on the skin tag or wart. Secure it with a bandage or medical tape and leave it on overnight. Why apple cider vinegar, you ask? The acidity of the vinegar helps break down the tissue surrounding the skin tag or wart, causing it to eventually fall off. The third and final step is to remove the bandage in the morning and wash the area thoroughly. If the skin tag or wart hasn't fallen off, don't worry. Just repeat the process until it does. Here's a quick recap of the process. Clean the area, apply apple cider vinegar with a cotton ball, secure it with a bandage, and leave it on overnight. Rinse and repeat as needed. But remember, while this method can be effective, it's always best to consult with a healthcare professional before trying any new skin treatments at home. And there you have it, a simple at-home method to help you bid farewell to those pesky skin tags and warts. Remember, everyone's skin is unique, so results can vary. Here's to clearer, healthier skin. We're so glad you've joined us on this journey to clearer, healthier skin. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you could give us a big thumbs up. It lets us know that we're on the right track and helps other people find this information too. And if you have any questions or comments, don't hesitate to drop them below. We love hearing from you, and your feedback helps us make better videos. If you want to stay up to date with all our latest content, make sure to hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family who might also find it useful. Remember, we're all in this journey towards better skin health together. So let's continue to learn, grow, and share. Thank you for your support, and we can't wait to see you in the next video.